Okay, so we're back with a Volkswagen. Got my daughter out here again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this piece in today. We just gotta fit this in here, like this. And then after that one's in, we'll take this piece, we're gonna put it in here. And that'll go right in there. And then we'll have to squish these together and weld those up together. So, and then we'll, get this all straightened out and stuff like that, and we'll weld that in there as well. Once that's in, then we can weld up these guys. So what you'll see is one of them has an angle on it. So that's the back one, because see how the beam angles down? So this one will go here. And then this one will go right here. The front.
Makes sense.
What's that?
I said makes sense.
Yeah. And then once we get those welded in, this one will go in the front here, like this, and this one will go in the back, just like those other ones. Yep, just like that. You just have to bang it in there.
Okay, so we finished welding the inner rocker, the cross beams, and the jack points on both sides. So everything's super secure. So none of this was here before. The mount matches on both sides. And now the next thing we're gonna do is take out the steering column, all this stuff so we can work on the floor there. But that'll be in the next video. I'll see you later.